Hi, Abhishek here. Today we are going to look at the IKEA Bekant corner desk. This is a left side version which suits my room type. I have been using this desk for almost a month now and I'm in love with it. The IKEA Bekant is manually adjustable from 65 to 85 centimeters, so it's purely for sitting purpose. The top of the desk comes in a nice contoured shape, which provides support to the wrist and forearm while writing or working on the desk. This desk is also available in the right side version for those who need it. Why is height adjustable desk a better choice? As everyone has a different comfortable angle depending on the body type. Desks such as this can be arranged to the sweet spot. Adjusting the height of the IKEA Bekant legs is easy, but a little tricky to get it just right. The legs are held in place with the screws, and once you loosen the screws, just extend the tubes to the desired length and then lock the screws back in place. Each of the legs are to be adjusted individually, so it will take some time and trial and error to get just the right height. I like the IKEA Bacon desk because the legs are extremely solid and well built. There is no flex to the desk. The legs are made from steel with epoxy coating on it. On the bottom of the desk, there is a cable management net provided along with the desk to keep your desk setup neat and tidy. Coming to the tabletop, it is made of particle board, melamine foil and ABS plastic. The melamine surface is durable, stain resistant and easy to keep clean. To store my accessories and cables, I got this Alex drawer unit. It is a compact drawer which can fit under the desk and blend in very well with the desk and gives it a simple yet futuristic look to the entire setup. The links to all the products featured in this video are posted in the description below. If you want to store small pen drives or notes for easy and immediate access, I recommend you to get this Alex add-on unit. I have included these two FEJKA artificial plants from IKEA. It is a lifelike artificial plant that remains just as fresh looking year after year. It is a perfect choice if you can't have a live plant. So it's IKEA Bacon desk with Alex drawers and add-on unit. A height adjustable desk with a solid construction at a decent price.